Omwaka oguwedde emisinde gya Source of the Nile Half Marathon mu bitundu eby'ejjinja tejettanirwa nnyo ng'abaddusi 16 be beewandiisa okuvuganya. Abaddukanya omuzannyo gw'emisinde mu ggwanga bakakasizza nti Source of the Nile Half Marathon omwaka 2025 zaakubeerawo ku Sande ya Sabbiiti eno mu bitundu eby'ejjinja. Zino zaakuyambako abaddusi abayinza okukiikira Uganda ku mutendera gw'ensi yonna okwetegeka.
The World Athletics decided to change the name of the world event to the World Road Running Championship, which will happen in December after we've come back from the World Athletics Championships. So the athletes that are going to excel in Jinja on Sunday when we have this event will have opportunity to be selected for that world event, among others who will continue running city marathons.
Empaka zino zizze nga Uganda Athletics Federation yeteekera ebikujjuko by'okweza emyaka 10 bukyetandikibwawo.
We at Uganda Athletics Federation take all the events that we have this year very seriously, because I want to remind you we are making 100 years as a federation. So we are talking about athletics at 100 years. UF at 100 years, and this being the second event. The first one where we are drumming up this was in the National Cross Country Championships in Tororo, and this now will be the second event. And what a beautiful coincidence that when we are going there, our very own Jacob Kiplimo sets a new world record in the same event.
Omwaka oguwedde Isaac Mande Kibet owa Arua ye yawangula mu basajja nga yaddukira essaawa emu eddakiika 4 ne seconds 48, so nga mu bakyala Anit Chelengat owa Arua ye yawangula nga yaddukira essaawa emu eddakiika 13 ne seconds 5.